Running out of hard drive space can slow your PC and make it hard to install new apps or save files. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 free and easy ways to free up space on your Windows PC, so you can boost performance and reclaim storage without spending a dime. First, let's start with disk cleanup. This built-in Windows tool lets you safely delete temporary files, system cache, and recycle bin contents. To use it, just search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu, select your drive, and check the types of files you want to remove. This quick step alone can free up several gigabytes, especially if you haven't run it in a while. Second, uninstall unused programs. Many PCs accumulate apps over time that you no longer need. Go to Settings, Apps, review the list, and uninstall anything you rarely use. Large programs like old games, trial software, or outdated utilities often take up a lot of space, so removing them can make a noticeable difference. Third, check large files and folders manually. Sometimes downloads, videos, or backups eat up your storage without you realizing it. Using Windows File Explorer, sort files by size and delete or move unneeded large files to an external drive or cloud storage. This gives you instant relief for heavy storage usage. Fourth, enable Storage Sense. This Windows feature automatically deletes temporary files, old system files, and recycle bin items at set intervals. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. You can also customize it to clean up only the types of files you're comfortable removing, so it works in the background without affecting your workflow. Finally, consider moving files to cloud storage. Free services like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox let you store documents, photos, and videos online instead of on your hard drive. Moving non-essential or rarely accessed files to the cloud frees local storage while keeping your data accessible anytime. By using these 5 methods, disk cleanup, uninstalling unused programs, managing large files, enabling Storage Sense, and leveraging cloud storage, you can quickly reclaim hard drive space and help your PC run smoother. Regularly maintaining your storage also prevents slowdowns and ensures you always have room for new files and programs. If this quick guide helped you free up space on your PC, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.